I tell my students that they can be a catalyst for change. Science is not always this technical thing that you have to learn vocabulary and the mechanics about it, but science can also be compassionate, which would drive you into action.
Would you really want to, but then you have to think about it. You get all this money.
You have students from all over New York that come here with an amazing talent.
We call this a dual mission school because we don't want to just focus on the studio piece. We want them to really be a holistic student moving forward. Wendy has shepherded that for years because she's a great supporter of the arts. She comes to all the shows and she comes to everything. So the kids see that she's invested there and then they're invested in her science work.
They can bring in and sprinkle or pepper science in whatever art that they choose to do. We're looking more of how our decision making, our everyday lives influence our environment and vice versa, how the environment then can impact an organism. Last week it was what temperature? It was like in the 70s and now it's a course which includes their community, includes their lifestyle, includes decision making that they have. What is one thought that you would tell the senators?
I would tell the government to not only think about the money, but think about the well-being of everyone.
Lowering consumption and using more renewable energy would be a start to bettering our future.
I find out what they are excited about because science can be presented in so many different ways. What do you think that technology is showing? Why do you think they created it that way? What I want my students to really walk away with is empowerment. Empowerment in scientific literacy, empowerment in knowing what's going on in their environment and also around the world, and having that political influence to make changes.
She has that instinct where the kids don't want to disappoint her. They want to learn because they want to make her happy. They're not all taking living environment, they're taking DelValle and they're learning living environment in the process.